Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you all are aware that in my last video I finished poem 3 Keeping Quiet. So today in this video we are going to learn how to make a poster. So as it comes under short writing skills, it is of 3 marks. It is asked for 3 marks in your board examination, and already in short writing skills, advertisement writing, notice writing, invitation writing, we have finished. So only poster making is left. So today we are going to cover this topic, poster making. So what is a poster? So you must have seen, dear students, placards displayed in public place announcing or advertising something. So they are called posters. So, posters are placards displayed in a public place announcing or advertising something. Posters are notices, advertisements and invitations all in one. So posters are all in one. They are notices, advertisements and invitation. So what is the purpose of a poster? So the purpose of a poster, the purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness about issues related to current problems or needs, or to advertise, or even to extend public invitations and display notices. So this is the purpose for designing a poster. So you all should note down. So first of all we are going to note down the definition of a poster. What is a poster? What is a poster? What is a poster? So posters are placards. Posters are placards displayed in a public place. Displayed in a public place announcing or advertising something. Announcing or advertising something. Announcing or advertising something. Posters are notices, advertisements and invitations. Posters are notices, advertisements and invitations all in one. And invitations all in one. Okay. So dear students, posters are placards displayed in a public place announcing or advertising something. Posters are notices. They can be in the form of notices, advertisements and invitations. Okay. So posters are notices, advertisements and invitations all in one. So let me rub it and discuss purpose of a poster. Purpose of designing a poster. So you all must note these points in your fair notebook. So purpose of posters. Purpose of posters. So we have just discussed the purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness about issues related to current problems and awareness about issues related to current problems and needs, or to advertise or even to extend public invitations and display notices. So the purpose of designing a poster, the purpose of designing a poster, the purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness about issues, is either to create social awareness about either to create social awareness about issues related to current problems and needs, about issues related to current problems and needs, or either to create social awareness about issues related to current problems and needs, or to advertise or even to extend public invitations, or to advertise or to advertise or even to extend public invitations, even to extend or even to extend public invitations and display notices. Public invitations and display notices. Okay, dear students, let me, yes, so that you can, yes. Now you can see the complete content which are written on the board. You can take the screenshot of it, or you may pause the video and write it down. So the purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness about issues related to current problems and needs, or to advertise or even to extend public invitations and display notices. Okay, so this is the purpose of designing a poster. So now let us discuss what are the main features of a poster, how we should design an attractive poster. Your poster should be colorful, attractive and tempting, so that it could attract people towards it. So it should be colorful, attractive and tempting. They must be drafted carefully to attract the attention of the readers. Okay, excite their imagination and influence their minds. Posters are read from a distance, so do not give many details in the poster. Highlight only important issue or issues. So only important issues should be highlighted in a poster. So while designing a poster, we must keep it remember that posters are written from a long distance. So that is why your poster, the words, the letters in the poster should be larger, so that they could be read from a distance. Okay, so let us discuss main features of a poster. Let me rub it. Now, main features of a poster. Main features of a poster. Main features of a poster. So first we are going to discuss the layout of a poster. Okay. First we are going to discuss the layout of a poster. So first of all we must keep remember that layout should be visually attractive, eye-catching. So it should be visually attractive, eye-catching. It should be visually attractive, eye-catching. Title should be suggestive and catchy. Title suggestive and catchy. Title should be suggestive and catchy. Then use slogan, jingle or short verse. You can use slogan, jingle, or short words. So first of all we are discussing the layout of a poster. It should be visually attractive, eye-catching. Title should be suggestive and catchy. Use slogan, jingle or short words. Okay. So now let me rub it and write down the other points which are very important during designing the layout of a poster. So as of now we have discussed, we are discussing the layout. So it should be visually attractive, eye-catching. Title should be suggestive and catchy. Use slogan, jingle or short words. Sketch or simple drawing. Sketch or simple drawing should be there in your poster. Sketch or simple drawings should be there in your poster. Letters of different size and shape. You can use letters of different size and shape. Letters of different size and shape. Proportionate spacing, that is very important. Proportionate spacing should be there. Proportionate spacing should be there. Okay, so etc. These are the points which can be used while making a layout of the poster. Now after layout, let us discuss the content of a poster. So what are the main points which we must keep remember while writing the contents of the poster? Okay, so let me rub it and write them down. Dear students, while preparing the content, we must keep remember the theme or the subject of the poster. It should be relevant. Description or details should be associated with the theme. Only essential details like time, date, venue for an event. If it's an event, then you need to mention time, date, venue, etc. Name of issuing authority, organization must be mentioned in the content of a poster. So let's discuss the content. So note them down. All these points must be noted down in your fair notebook. Now contents. The theme or subject of the poster. The theme content includes the theme or subject of the poster. Then description or details associated with theme. Description or details should be associated with the theme. Should be associated with theme. The next, essential details like time, date, venue. Only essential details like time, date, venue, time, date, venue should be there. Then next point, name of issuing authority. You must mention the name of issuing authority or organization. Name of issuing authority or organization should be there. So these are some points which we must remember during writing the content of a poster. So either you may pause the video and write down, or you may take the screenshot of it. So the theme or subject of the poster, content of a poster includes the theme or subject of the poster, description or details associated with theme, essential details like time, date, venue, okay, or name of issuing authority, organization, etc. Let me rub it. Now expression. Next is expression. Expression of a poster. So in expression, we can use in order to make it attractive, we can use phrases, slogans, persuasive language, creativity in terms of content and design, overall organization and sequencing of the matter. Observe word limit, which is only 50. We must keep remember the word limit of writing a poster is 50. So phrases, slogans, persuasive language, we can use phrases, slogans, and persuasive language. There should be slogan, phrases, slogans, persuasive language. Next point which we must keep remember, creativity in terms of content and design. Creativity in terms of content and design. Creativity in terms of content and design. Then overall organization, you need to remember overall organization and sequencing of the matter. That is very important. And sequencing of the matters. Sequencing of the matter. Okay. Phrases, slogans, persuasive language, creativity in terms of content and design, overall organization and sequencing of the matter, and most important, observe word limit. Observe word limit, which is 50 words usually. The poster which is asked in board examination, so they are asked under short writing skills, so they are written under 50 words. So these are the points which we must keep remember while designing a poster, dear students. Now I am going to show you some solved examples of the poster on your screen. So dear students, please take the screenshot of it, or you may pause the video and write them down. So let me show you some solved examples on your screen. So type 1, educational type. Question 1. Design a poster for your school fete. You may use slogans. Do not exceed 50 words. So as you can see on your screen, it may be designed in this way. You can once again design it on your own by using different size and shapes of font. St. John's School, Agra, in aid of earthquake victims on Sunday, 2nd March 20, whatever the year it is, 9 am to 5 am at school campus, a day of fun and frolic. So you can see how the slogans, the phrases have been used here, how you can see the difference in the size of the letters. So in the same way we have to design a poster. So what are the programs which would take place? Fancy dress, snack stalls, gymnastic, electronic games, gun contest, merry-go-rounds, lucky draw. So come one, come all. Entry by tickets, help a noble cause. So this is a solved example which you all can see on your screen. Let me show you the next example. Design a poster in not more than 50 words for your school library on the value of books and good reading habits. You may use slogans. So as you can see on your screen, books are best friends. Books inform, instruct, delight, enrich. Take a book a day, don't delay. Your school library has 10,000 books. Read best, speak best, think best. Make reading a regular habit. So such slogans you can see here on the screen can be used while designing the poster. Phrases, slogans, creative language, they are used while designing a poster. So when you are gloomy or lonely, your best friend is a book. Don't judge a book by its cover. Read it. Reading makes a ready man. Okay, so this way we design a poster. So in this video we have discussed layout of the poster, content of the poster, expression of the poster, and solved examples. So So it's all about the poster making, dear students. Thank you for watching. Before winding up, let us quickly show you more examples. So you can take the screenshots of these examples which are being shown on your screen. These are some more solved examples. Here I am showing you on your screen, and this is the assignments. So take the screenshot of these questions and must practice in your fair notebook. So thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.